Whether you take something or leave something, these fridge doors open for anyone.
Milk, eggs, peanut butter, everything that you would need.
This free fridge is located outside of Brentwood's Social House on West Koenig. Canned goods, prepared meals inside, but there are several just like it across Austin.
There's 4 of us behind the scenes, but really the fridges are run and belong to everyone.
They say the project started back in 2020 as a way to keep feeding people during the COVID-19 pandemic. People give or take food whenever they want, 24/7, and you don't have to sign up for it.
1 in 6 Texans in Central Texas are food insecure. We know that through the door sensor data that we have.
It can help anyone, according to Stewart.
It's elderly folks, it's disabled folks, big families, college students.
5 of these free fridge locations feed hundreds of people in the community, but only as long as they stay open. ATX Free Fridge organizers say they had to recently permanently close down their 2nd Street location due to lack of steady community support. They anticipate more need as the government shutdown continues.
We take care of each other. When systems that govern us fail us, it's up to us to care for each other.